Bluehost, the leading hosting company in the world. Entrust your internet real estate, your website, to a reliable company with an uptime of 99.99%, as the worst thing for your business is to have your website not be available. Bluehost offers a low introductory pricing that includes 50 GB SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, a lot of good security options by default, domain privacy so that you are protected from hackers, site lock that prevents malware attacks, as well as a free SSL certificate and much more. Bluehost offers many integrations, apps, and e-commerce features. You can install WordPress and start working on your website with a single click. You can also install other popular content management systems, CMS, like Drupal, Joomla, run an e-commerce shop, and more. Plus, Bluehost will even include access to a content delivery network, CDN. Bluehost is the official WordPress.org recommended host. WordPress is the most widely used website platform on the market. Bluehost is easy to use for beginners. It is a user-friendly interface for non-technical people. You can use the Bluehost website builder tools, such as Weebly or Drupal, to start with a template that you can customize by just dragging and dropping features. Getting the best deal on web hosting usually means prepaying for a few months, a year, or several years at a time. Bluehost is no different, but they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee on their plans. You can try out the service to gauge their performance for yourself, and then still ask for a refund if you're not completely satisfied. Please click on the link below to start your hosting account today.